how to change the Stylus handwriting speed for Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, we go down and tap on keyboard list in default. Then go down and tap on Gboard. Next, tap on write in text fields. Now make sure you turn on Stylus at the top here. And once you have turned on, go down and then tap on handwriting speed. Now you can drag on the slider bar to the left to very slow, slow, mid to slow, or normal, or mid to fast. So you can set your handwriting speed by dragging on the slider bar here. And here we set it to normal. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.